profitably.
Okay, so you did this for two very successful businesses. You have this framework for finding ideas that are already proven and then just going and building them, doing them somewhat differently. Can you walk me through this framework so that someone watching could potentially do the same?
And step one is I would look for markets that already have product market fit. I mean, I'm not Steve Jobs. I had a 1.5 GPA growing up. So I thought it was a lot easier to go into a market that already has product market fit. And now that you found a market that you want to compete in, the next step is finding your unique angle, putting a unique twist on it. It can't just be pricing. It can't just be, hey, we're like XYZ, but a little bit more affordable. There has to be some unique twist to it. So go look at the 1 and 2 star reviews and see what people are complaining about. See what they dislike about it, the best players in the market. That's our twist. Our twist is what people dislike about the biggest companies in the space, because those are the easiest customers to go after and acquire. And that's step 3, acquiring customers profitably. Now, this is the hardest part, but if you can get this right, you can build any business. This is the hardest part because you have to have a skill set here, whether it's cold email, whether it's cold calling, whether it's SEO, whether it's ads. So my skill sets are around cold email, cold calling, SEO, and a few others. I acquired all of these by reading books, by watching YouTube videos. And step 4 is execution. Most people talk about building a business, but actually building it is a lot harder. You're going to fail. You're going to have to get back up. You're going to have to keep going. And this playbook, it might not work the first time. I failed at probably over 20 different businesses before having 2 successful businesses.
I think that framework is awesome. I love that playbook. Clearly it's worked for you for 2 very successful businesses. But for anyone who's watching right now, I think